Hi, I'm Nick Fox, weld instructor and program director here at Beal University of the welding program. I'm going to take a minute and show you around the shop today. So this is the entrance to our welding shop. All students park out here and come right into the lab. The instructors cut and prep most of the material for the students, so it's ready to go and they can spend a majority of their time welding. Over here we have the saw and some other equipment we use to cut and prep that material. Bevelers, plate benders, test benders, other things of the sort. At this end of the shop we have a rig where we practice some basic rigging and learn some fundamentals. We do some basic pipe fitting in this rack as well. As you can see, a spool here to my right. Over here we have a rack of all cut and prepped materials right here for students to come and grab as they're working. They can come grab as much steel as they can possibly weld while they're here. We encourage them to weld as much as possible while they're here. Over here we have 14 welding booths. If you take a look, fully stocked with grinders, ground clamps, TIG rigs, everything the students need to get their welding done. There's positioners for all position welding. The Lincoln inverters are our power sources that run our wire feeders, our TIG, stick, and all that. Currently we have some students welding. We'll peek in and take a look at one of their booths. Right over here in our welding booths we have a student doing some flux core welding. I'll show you what they're up to. All our booths have positioners for all out of position welding. Right now we're doing some flat flux core around some structural shapes. Ventilation is off right now for sound, otherwise it would be sucking that smoke up and out of the booth. We do all our stick, TIG, and flux core in the booth, gas metal arc welding as well. In this booth behind me we have a student doing some 2G stick welding on some 1-inch plate, so we'll peek a peek and see what he's up to. That is a 1-inch unlimited plate test with 7018 stick rod. Over here in the middle of the shop, I give all demonstrations on all welding technique and process with the same position as the student have in the booth, so I can weld in position, show them the best way to stand, and what would work best for them to give them the best results. Over here, we have our track torch cutter, where we prep and cut a lot of the steel. We start out with these 8-inch plates where they pad weld and do stringer weld. Eventually they move into groove weld, and it all gets cut and beveled here. As you can see, this track torch does a very nice job. It's basically ready to go. They will flap it clean and then continue prepping and fitting their steel. Thanks for joining me on that tour of our shop today. If you'd like to learn more, go to BEAL.EDU and schedule a tour to come see it yourself in person.